How to log into Concentra's web banking. Hello and welcome back, everybody. If you'd like to log into Concentra's web banking, in today's video, we are going to guide you to the process. So let's just dive right in. So for that, we can do is we can go over to the portal. You can go to web browser of Concentra, which is concentra.ca on their official website. Once you are here in this section, you can just go ahead and look out for the login option. For that, look out for the menu in the top right corner and go ahead and tap on it. And then once you tap on it, you'll be finding an option to sign in. Tap on sign in, and then you should be taken towards their login page. So just go ahead and tap on sign in, and then you will be taken towards their login page, which should be available like this on your screen. And you need to enter up your credentials if you would want to log in into their web banking. So go ahead and enter up your credentials. Log in using your email address. In this section, type in your email address. After that, just go ahead and type in next. So enter up your email address in the section, tap on next. And once you do so, you will be taken to enter up your initial password. You were provided in the portal invitation. And once you do so, tap on next and you will be prompted to confirm your initial password. And then you can just go ahead and log in. That way, you are logged in into the online banking. You can manage your testing programs, view their reports, access other features through the portal's various tabs, and that way you can log in into the Concentra's web banking. So that is it for today's video. We hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.